Okay, this is the flight of GoPro on Vapor D. Right, that's on, that's on. She feels heavy. So this is Vapor D, GoPro, Ethix S5 Cine probs, and ND16s all round, 4K 60 all round, and a 2200 Dogcom battery. And it actually flies really nice. It's flying heavy. But that is because it is. I'll take the top of the pretty good. Actually, I want to go this way. So I'm way over out of the way. I'm on the other side of the field. In fact, I'm going over to where the horses normally are, but I don't know if they're there. No, that seems to be. Wind's picked up, hasn't it? Round the tree. Through there. It's not low. It's fine. It's smooth and cinematic. .4. Yeah, we're fine.
21.5 volts. 21.4 volts. 21.4 volts.
We're fine. 3.57. 'Anyone around me, Joe? Like here. Interesting landing. It landed like it's heavy.